Om Shanti. Today's Essence of Murli, 10th July 2020. Let us listen and imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didiji. Didiji had spiritual magic in her eyes. Whoever took the vision would be interviewing the world of Vaikuntha. Such was the state of yoga, such a practice of meditation that it would satisfy every soul by taking a glance. Sweet children, through this study you go to your land of happiness via the land of peace. This is your aim and objective. You should never forget this. Question of the day. At this time, what scenes of the drama do your children observe as detached observers? Answer. At this time, there are scenes of total sorrow in this drama. Even if someone does have some happiness, it is only temporary. Like the droppings of a crow. The rest is nothing but sorrow. Your children have now come into the light. You know how the unlimited world cycle continues to turn to second by second. One day cannot be same as the next. The acts of the whole world continue to change as new scenes continue. Essence for Dharana. First point, become introverted and check yourself. Repent from deep within your heart for the mistakes you have made and forgive yourself with the power of yoga. Make effort for yourself. Second point, follow the Father's advice fully and have a mercy for yourself. Look at your own efforts and the efforts of others as a detached observer. Never cause yourself a loss. Blessing. May you claim a right to all the treasures by having constant remembrance and accumulate an imperishable income. Description. By having constant remembrance, you will continue to earn an income at every step and experience having a right to all the treasures of happiness, peace, bliss, and love. Any suffering will not be experienced as suffering. At the confluence age, Brahmins cannot suffer. If there is any suffering, it comes to remind you of the Father. Just as a rose has thorns to protect itself, in the same way, any difficulties will be instrumental in reminding you of the Father even more. Slogan. When the seed of action continues to receive the water of pure thoughts on the basis of God's Srimad, the seed will become powerful. Om Shanti.